Eco Ardens right now, and I'm waiting for my friend Adrian. You know, it's actually my first time meeting him today. I hope he doesn't rob me. Yeah, seems like a nice guy. Anyway, we're going to do something a little different today. We're heading out to Tanjung Harapan, and we'll see what we can film over there. But in the meantime, while I'm waiting for him, I'm just gonna like shoot some B-roll. So yeah. And he just arrived. So I'm just gonna wait for him to come over here, and then we can go.
I'm not photogenic, but
Sorry?
I'm not photogenic.
Doesn't matter, man. How are you?
I'm good. With you?
Nice meeting you.
Hey, nice to meet you. Finally,
Yes,
after all these
finally,
months, right?
man. What's that?
This is a selfie stick, a 3-meter selfie stick.
Oh, it's for your Osmo, is it? Hey,
No, for the
this
360.
thing.
Yeah.
What is this?
The 360 camera.
Right, okay.
This is Xiaomi.
Ah,
So you know it's 360. The good one is the Fusion by GoPro, but that's like $3 grand,
Oh, yeah,
and it's still quite new,
expensive.
yeah. And I bought this for like $800. So.
Okay, we're lacking time, so
Yeah.
guys, we are here at Tanjung Harapan, and look at the view, man. Beautiful. Check out Adrian with this super long dude.
Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah.
Dude, that is huge.
I know.
That's what she said. Okay, so this is where all the containers come to. What happens here, Adrian?
This is the smaller pot among the pots. This is North Pot. The other side is West Pot. The smaller container ships, from what I'm told, come here, but the big guys are the ones that go that side. So I'm not sure how to get there yet, but I do kind of want to find out like one day.
Well, let's find it together.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like,
but
you
then
see
again,
that red line pier thing there, or what? That's where the Star Cruises guys.
right, he means somewhere over this line, but you can't see because it's too far away. Yeah. But what? Okay, so what's over these? What's going on over here?
Where?
These two containers. These four.
Oh, these
thingies.
are the tugboats. These are the guys that bring the, what do you call it, the containers into dock.
Right.
So these are the little tugboats that will pull them out, pull them in, and then these loading bay, whatever you call it, that's when they start with it. But this is the first time I've seen them split up,
Alright.
which is quite cool. This shot right now with the sun above it like that, actually is pretty damn
is.
good.
Okay, so without further ado, let's shoot some B-roll. So that was fun. We're done now. We have flown the drone here and back. It's a little bit scary because Adrian's app crashed out halfway, and that's never fun when you're out there flying and you don't know if the drone's gonna come back. That's a couple of $1,000s worth of equipment in the air. It might just go into the sea, and you know, that's not fun now. Sunset here is beautiful. Check it out. Okay, you can't see anything now, but I guarantee you it's beautiful. And since we're done, we're just gonna wrap it up and we'll be going. That's Adrian.
What's up?
Say goodbye.
Thanks. Goodbye.
He's really awkward, but you know, so am I. And this is a really shitty. This is a fucking shitty vlog, man. Okay, so see you guys later.